currency is
How much?
equal to 16,608.
16,000.
16,608 in Indonesian rupiah. $1 is equal to that.
That's great.
So in Indonesia, if you spend 16,600, you're spending only $1.
Oh, it's nice then US people will go there in Indonesia.
Yeah, that's why I said, like, if you're buying a loaf of bread, it's like very expensive. It sounds like very expensive, but it's cheap.
50 minutes. Yan akong balik.
But but
Di
the
man siya
meals the meals and all in Korea were a little expensive in the city. They were expensive when I compared it, with Japan. It was expensive.
Di ba? Di ba? Ini kuman kaon. Balik ka.
siya balik.
One one US dollar
Ito kang ano mo balik eh.
one US dollar is equal to almost 1,400 Korean won.
Kasi patataya, malingaw pa kayo na yung mag-uya. Patataya.
How about Malaysian one? Is the Malaysian still okay? I mean the Bali. Oh, Bali I think is expensive.
Bali, Indonesia, yeah. $1 is 16,600 rupiah.
In Bali?
Yeah.
But it's not expensive
One No,
the
their currency is valued so low. That's the problem. The currency is of a very low value.
I oh, oh yeah, I will go pretty soon. Need to practice again.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Yeah, don't worry.
I'm
Thank
so
you for coming.
tired practicing. I feel sleepy already though.
I hope some people have subscribed to your channel.
Thank you. But I still need to. Very sleepy. Still need to practice. I still need to practice.
So you're having dancing sessions twice a day.
Huh? Again,
You're
please?
having dancing twice a day.
Yeah, like mostly afternoon time with the kids and adults, and then tonight will be with the boys. I will practice them.
Again, no.
Yeah.
When is the festival? When is the festival?
This Wednesday.
Okay, that's why so many practices.
Yeah, so that's why I really need to like I need to practice them so they will know the steps. So they will
Yeah,
familiarize
true, true. Yeah.
themselves. Yeah, the guys is waiting outside already. I think
Yeah,
I will
take care,
just
take care. Bye. Bye.
thank
Thank
you.
you so much for being here.
Thank you
Thank
for your
you. Bye.
time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Evening.
Bye. So that was our co-host Ellen May.